Hello friends. I am glad to welcome you on my channel. I always have a lot of new reviews for you. Subscribe and like. How much will the iPhone SE2 cost? Apple understands how fans love 4-inch iPhones. For this reason, next year should show the iPhone SE2. Sources of Economic Daily News report that the company will introduce a smartphone in the first half of 2019. Most likely, this will happen in June-July at the WWDC conference or even a separate event. The publication also notes that SE2 will replace the classic iPhone SE. The first model will be immediately removed from sale. Target audience: users who want a top iPhone, but no money for it. Now the iPhone SE costs $349. Sources say that the second model will be a bit more expensive, $450. There will be a lot of interesting information for you on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. See you again on my channel.